1/3 of Angel's money is equal to 3/4 of Betsy's money. Betsy has $60 less than Angel. How much do they have altogether? So let's look at the fraction for Angel. 1/3. You know that the denominator 3 for Angel actually represents that Angel has a total of 3 units. And for Betsy, 3/4, the denominator 4 represents that Betsy has a total of 4 units. And the numerator 1 unit for Angel is actually equals the numerator 3 units of Betsy. So we'll start off by drawing an equal model for the both of them, because you know that they have an equal amount of money. So 1 unit of Angel, 1 unit here, is equals to 3 units of Betsy. So we will slice Betsy units up into 3. And let's look at Angel's fraction again. You know that Angel have a total of 3 units because the denominator is 3. So we give 3 units to Angel. And let's compare. Angel's 1 unit is pretty huge compared to Betsy's 1 unit. Always remember that for model drawing, you must always ensure that every part are equal. So let's slice up Angel's model. And now you have all equal parts, okay? And Betsy has a total of 4 units, so let's add 1 more unit for Betsy. So now that your model is complete, you can actually solve the question. For P5 and P6, who have actually learned the ratio approach, you can actually write 9:4 because you change both the numerator 1 and 3 to be the same. The total for Angel would be 9 units and Betsy would be 4 units. If you were to count the model, it's the same. Angel has a total of 9 units and Betsy have a total of 4 units. So now let's look at the next sentence. They said that Betsy has $60 less than Angel, which means that their difference would be $60. So if Angel have a total of 9 units here, and Betsy has a total of 4 units, their difference would be 9 minus 4, which is 5 units. And this 5 units here would be equals to $60. So we can write that down. If 5 units is $60, 1 unit would be $12. So after you have found out how much is 1 unit, let's read the question again. They are asking us to find the total amount of money they have all together. So all together, you can just add all the units up. If you are P3 and P4, which is doing the model, you can add 9 plus 4. If you are the P5 and P6s, you can just add the ratio up, 9 plus 4 units. Okay, and you will find out that you actually need to find 13 units, and 13 units, the total will be $156.